Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're about to walk into the 10J and this is the Whitney Uptown, their 2-bedroom model. So really adorable, super cute apartment here at the Whitney. Really love the look and feel. It's really adorable. It's got some nice touches. It's just got some really cute spaces too. It's got this little area for a desk that's adorable. It's got a really nice kind of separated area that separates the 2 bedrooms. And then of course it has the bedrooms. We're gonna go into a part 2 and see that. Let's go into the kitchen just real quick. Oh, some gorgeous, this is a waterfall quartz style. Love that countertop, and it's just very adorable in here. It's all white or kind of beige-ish. It looks really pretty in here. Pretty appliances too. Just very well done. This is a just really interesting, cool look in here too. I love these windows. I love these great windows with great views. Hey, you're right on McKinney Avenue, so you're in a fantastic location. Really, for this apartment, how cute it is. It's hard to get something at this price level. It's a very competitive price typically here at the Whitney. Really good. And then now let's look. Hey, let's look outside and look at this balcony. So the balconies here, you got a decent sized balcony too. And then look, you've got, man, McKinney Avenue just right over here. This is an amazing, adorable, great location. You can walk to so many things just right from here. This is McKinney Avenue, the famous McKinney Avenue of downtown Dallas, or of Uptown Dallas. So anyway, super cute feel. The Whitney Uptown, it's your place. Hey, so what we're gonna do is do a second video. We're gonna go in those bedrooms and bathrooms and check those out right now. If you have any questions, or if you're ready to set up a tour, send me a text. Just use the number below. Let's do a virtual tour. That's the best way to do it. We'll do a virtual tour, and that'll get you your perfect apartment here, and where you can see it just on your phone without having to visit. Send me a text, and we'll set that up right away.